this video, we're going to take a look at one indefinite integral. At first glance, it may actually look like it's going to be relatively hard, but a nice little algebraic technique, and we're going to get down to a very simple integral. I'm going to take a look at that numerator right there, and I'm going to take out a greatest common factor. That is the square root of x. All right, what that's going to then do is allow me to factor that top and then cross out. When I take out the greatest common factor of square root of x, all right, looking at this binomial right here, you know, square root of x times what is going to give me an x? Well, that's going to be square root of x. All right, and then plus 1 there when we take out the square root of x on the top there. All right, now on the bottom, we've got the square root of x plus 1. All right, so that's what may not be as obvious and as apparent when you first glance at it. But taking out that greatest common factor then gives you matching binomials there that you can cross out. Once you get to there, it's just the integral of the square root of x, which is just a basic integral here. You might want to rewrite that using exponents, so the integral of x to the 1/2 power, and then just good old-fashioned power rule here. We'll add 1 to that exponent, so we'll have an x to the 3/2, flip it around there in front, we'll have a 2/3, and add the plus c. All right, so like I said, actually a very straightforward integral if you can see that algebra step that you need for a little bit of algebra manipulation. All right, and factoring is always a technique that you want to try. Factor it, see if something crosses out. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, be sure and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.